This free tutorial will show you how to get the export panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. So the first step to get the export panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, there's a couple ways to do this. There's two. The first way is to basically, if you want to export a video or an audio clip, you can click Ctrl+M on your keyboard on Windows or Mac, laptop, PC, and this will bring up the export settings window, as you can see. But if you click X, the next way is to go right here on the top hand screen, click Window. You can even scroll down and see if you can locate where it says Export. In this case, we don't have it, or at least I don't see it. But if you want, you can open up Adobe Media Encoder, and this is basically the export settings, or the tab that, basically you can export videos completely for free and quicker in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, because you're going to encode the videos right here and click Start.